Learn how to use Airlite, the 100% natural, zero VOC paint in a few easy steps. Let's get started. Prepare the space. Move your furniture away from the walls you want to paint. Cover the floor with large plastic sheets. Protect your window and door frames by covering them with masking tape. Prepare the base. First of all, make sure your base is intact, dry, and free of any substances or agents that could prevent the adhesion of Airlite. Sand down any remaining paint, old overcoats, overlays, or varnish, then remove all residues. In case of mold, treat the surface with bleach. Difficult cases may require a strong biocide. For stains, sand down lightly and apply a stain repellent. Your base is almost ready. Treat it with Airlite Primer Pro. It'll make your Airlite paint look even better. Remember, let it dry for 3 to 5 hours before painting over it. Now get ready to mix. What you'll need for 5 kilograms of Airlite: 3.75 liters of clean water, 1 measuring cup, 1 mixer, 1 roller, 1 plastic roller grid, and 1 brush. Going for white paint? Add 2 liters of water to 5 kilograms of Airlite powder. Mix and dissolve the powder completely using a mixer. Remember, start slow and then gradually speed up. Now add another 1.75 liters of water to the mix. Continue mixing, alternating the mixer's speed until the mix becomes a consistent liquid paint. Check to make sure there's no powder residue at the bottom of the bucket. Airlite is ready. Remember to apply it within 3 hours of mixing and to wait at least 5 hours before applying the second coat. Going for color? Start by adding the colored pigment to 3.75 liters of water. Then mix it for at least 20 seconds until it completely dissolves. Now just follow the preparation steps we took for the white paint. The only difference is that the water's now colored. Tips for color: as soon as you finish stirring the colored pigment in the water, add the solution to Airlite powder. It'll help you avoid the pigment from depositing on the bottom. Since we want to apply the mix within 3 hours, let's look at some calculations. For 1 kilogram of powder, you'll need 0.75 liters of water to cover about a 7 square meter surface with 2 coats of paint. For 5 kilograms of powder, you'll need 3.75 liters of water to cover about a 35 square meter surface with 2 coats of paint. For 10 kilograms, you'll need 7.5 liters of water to cover about a 70 square meter surface with 2 coats of paint. Remember, the proportion should always be 1 kilogram of powder for 0.75 liters of water. A few more tips. Start painting the wall from the corners, following the wall perimeter. Finish off the central area before the previously painted parts dry. This will prevent you from painting over the same section too many times. If you notice any paint clumps, it means the time for using the paint has expired. That's known as your pot life. Choose a quality roller with short hair and an even roll. Be careful. If the roller has an uneven roll, then your paint will be uneven too. To prevent the paint from drying onto your rollers and brushes, don't forget to rinse them immediately after having finished using Airlite. If you have a stain on the wall, dab it with a damp cloth, but don't rub it, or you'll remove Airlite from the surface. Last step, breathe easy. You're in an Airlite environment.